Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best dinosaur room is probably one of the most exciting and immersive ways to bring the prehistoric world into your child's imagination, offering a unique blend of educational value and thrilling adventure that can transform any ordinary space into a land before time, complete with roaring T-Rexes and towering Brontosauruses, making it an unforgettable experience for young paleontologists. Number 5. Lukeight Dinosaur Stuffed Animal Storage Beanbag Chair Cover. Tired of scattered stuffed animals? This cover is the perfect solution to organize toys and create a comfortable beanbag chair for your child. Made from luxuriously soft velvet, this cover is designed for everyday use. Its vibrant colors and durable construction will delight your little ones. Filling is a breeze with the extra-long zipper. Plus, a convenient side pocket and sturdy handle make it easy to move and keep essentials close. This large-sized cover is ideal for kids and smaller spaces. It's a versatile piece that adapts to the soft items you use to fill it. Turn a pile of plush toys into a functional and fun beanbag chair. It's perfect for reading, gaming, or simply relaxing. Accidents happen. Simply machine wash cold and tumble dry low for easy cleaning, ensuring it stays fresh for endless fun. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This cover is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion to bring joy and organization. What we like. This is a fantastic way to tidy up your child's room while creating a fun seating option. If you have a lot of stuffed animals and want a practical storage solution that doubles as a cozy seat, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who love their plush toys and for parents who appreciate an organized space. What people say. The Dinosaur Room decor is a great addition for any child's room, especially for those who love dinosaurs. The set includes various dinosaur figures, wall decals, and bedding, creating an immersive prehistoric environment. The wall decals are easy to apply and remove, and they add a fun, interactive element to the room's design. Number 4. Dinosaur Laundry Basket, Cute Kids Hamper. Introducing a laundry basket with a fun dinosaur design, perfect for kids. It's a cute and practical addition to any child's room. This hamper is generously sized at 19.7 inches high and 15.7 inches in diameter. It can hold over 33 pieces of clothing, making laundry day easier. Crafted from polyester with a waterproof PE coating, it's built to last. This material ensures it's moisture-resistant, lightweight, and incredibly durable. Beyond laundry, it's perfect for storing toys, home textiles, baby items, and even pet products. It helps keep your space tidy and organized. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Made with the best cotton, it's a safe and eco-friendly choice for your family. If it arrives with creases from shipping, don't worry. It will naturally smooth out with use, or you can easily restore its shape with a steam iron or hairdryer. What we like. Keep laundry day simple and fun with this cute dinosaur hamper. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-store laundry solution for your little one's clothes, this is a great option. Its moisture-resistant interior makes it perfect for damp clothes, and it folds flat when not in use, saving valuable space. What people say. The Dinosaur Room is a great addition to our playroom. It's well made and the details are amazing. My son loves this Dinosaur Room. He spends hours playing with it. The quality is excellent. This is a fantastic toy for any dinosaur lover. The room is spacious and the dinosaurs are realistic. Number 3. MINGKIDS Rotating Projector Lamp. Explore a world of wonder with two exciting themes, dinosaurs and vehicles. These vibrant projections create a magical atmosphere in any child's room. Customize the ambience with 3 brightness settings. Find the perfect level of light for bedtime stories or a gentle glow throughout the night. Enjoy the convenience of 2 ways to power up. Use batteries for portability or USB for continuous use, ensuring the magic never has to stop. Experience a mesmerizing 360-degree rotation that fills the room with stars. Its quiet operation helps children relax and drift off to sleep peacefully. Switching between themes is a breeze. Simply spin the shell and replace the films for a fresh new projection experience. This makes an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays, inspiring curiosity and a love for exploration. It's a wonderful way to comfort children and spark their imagination. What we like. Transform your child's bedroom into a magical starry sky with this projector lamp. If you want to create a calming and enchanting atmosphere for bedtime, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for children who are a bit scared of the dark or for inspiring a love for space and exploration. What people say. The Dinosaur Room is a fantastic addition to any child's bedroom, offering a fun and educational experience. The detailed dinosaur figures and vibrant wall decals create an immersive prehistoric environment. Easy to assemble and durable, the room set provides hours of imaginative play for kids. Number 2. Dinosaur Night Light for Kids. Introducing a cute dinosaur night light, designed to be a friendly companion for your child. Its squishy silicone body is perfect for hugs and playtime, making it more than just a lamp, it's a desk buddy and a comforting presence. Easily change the mood with 16 vibrant colors using the remote or by tapping the lamp. You can also adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience, from a soft glow for bedtime to a brighter light for playtime. Control it from across the room. The remote offers 10 brightness levels and color modes like flash, strobe, and fade. Parents can even dim or turn it off from their own bed, making midnight wake-ups much easier. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, this lamp is safe for little ones to touch, hug, and even chew on. Its squeezable texture provides a calming sensory experience and it's durable enough to withstand drops and tumbles. Enjoy 10 to 20 hours of light on a single charge, thanks to the built-in 1200 mAh battery. It recharges quickly via USB-C, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements and ensuring it's ready for a full night's glow. Arriving in a beautiful gift box, this dinosaur night light is the perfect present for birthdays or holidays. It's a practical item that kids will love to play with and the whole family will appreciate using every night. What we like. This adorable dinosaur night light is more than just a lamp, it's a cuddly companion. If you're looking for a safe, interactive, and comforting night light for your child, this squishy silicone dinosaur is ideal. Its multiple color options and dimmable brightness make it perfect for any mood, from playtime to bedtime. What people say. The Dinosaur Room decor is a great addition for any child's room, especially for dinosaur enthusiasts. The set includes various dinosaur figures, wall decals, and bedding, creating an immersive prehistoric environment. The vibrant colors and detailed illustrations of the dinosaurs add a fun and educational touch to the room. Number 1. How do dinosaurs clean their room? Is your child's room a disaster zone? Do they leave toys and clothes everywhere? It's a common struggle for many parents. What if cleaning could be an adventure? This book turns a dreaded chore into an exciting game. Get ready for some prehistoric fun. Join a cast of lovable dinosaurs as they tackle their messy rooms. They'll show your little ones that cleaning can be easy and even enjoyable. Through engaging stories and vibrant illustrations, children learn valuable lessons about tidiness. It's a playful approach to developing good habits. Transform chore time into quality time. This book provides a delightful way to encourage your child to keep their space neat and tidy. Bring the fun of dinosaur tidiness into your home. Order How Do Dinosaurs Clean Their Room today and make cleaning a breeze. What we like. Teach your little ones the importance of tidiness with a fun dinosaur twist. If you're looking for a delightful children's book that encourages good habits in an entertaining way, this is a wonderful pick. It's perfect for story time and for helping kids understand that even dinosaurs need to clean their rooms. What people say. The Dinosaur Room is a fantastic addition to any child's bedroom, offering an immersive prehistoric experience. Features include realistic dinosaur sounds and movements, bringing the Jurassic period to life. The room's design incorporates educational elements, teaching children about different dinosaur species and their habitats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.